Optimizing the performance of a Laravel project is crucial for building fast and efficient applications. Here are 5 tips to increase the performance of a Laravel project. Use caching for routes, views, and configurations. Route caching. If your routes are not dynamic, you can cache them using the route cache command. This reduces the time needed to parse route files. Next, view caching. Laravel automatically caches compiled blade templates, but you can manually cache all views with the command. Next, configuration caching. This caches your config files, reducing the time Laravel spends bootstrapping the application. Number 2, use eager loading to reduce database queries. Eloquent ORM uses lazy loading by default, meaning it retrieves related models when accessed. This can cause the N+1 query problem, where multiple database queries are executed for a single request. Eager loading retrieves all necessary related models in a single query. Number 3, optimize database queries with indexing and pagination. Indexing columns in your database can significantly speed up query performance. Pagination helps reduce the number of records fetched at once, improving response times. Use pagination. Instead of fetching all records at once, use Laravel's built-in pagination to limit the number of results per request. Number 4, optimize auto-loaded services and composer dependencies. If your application doesn't need all the services defined in config app.php, you can avoid loading unnecessary ones by removing or deferring them. Additionally, ensure that composer dependencies are optimized. Optimize composer autoload. Run the following command to optimize the autoloading of classes. Number 5, use queues for time-consuming tasks. Tasks like sending emails, generating reports, or processing images should be deferred to a background queue instead of being processed during the request. First synchronous task, slow. Second queued task, efficient. Using Laravel's queue system allows you to defer these time-consuming operations, freeing up your application to handle other tasks more quickly. Summary caching. Use caching for routes, views, and configurations to minimize startup time. Eager loading. Load related models efficiently with eager loading to avoid multiple queries. Database optimization. Use indexing and pagination to speed up database queries and reduce resource consumption. Autoload optimization. Optimize composer autoload and remove unnecessary service providers. Queues. Move time-consuming tasks to background queues to keep the application responsive.